Hey folks, my name is Aaron. I'm a freelancer based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I help IT and software companies build pipeline with LinkedIn and video. And if you head over to my website, in about 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you how you can really diversify your inbound lead and outbound lead acquisition efforts from email marketing and cold calling. Because in 2019, being single-threaded on those approaches really can make you vulnerable. And guess what? This LinkedIn and video thing, 95% of your competitors are not doing it. And the reason why is everybody thinks the barrier to entry to creating video is price and time. Video used to be very expensive, and don't get me wrong, if you go hire a videographer, 10,000 bucks, something like that, you may create that video and it may not drive the leads and the results you need for your business. However, if you take a minimum viable approach and mindset to your executives creating video, your engineers creating video, and your salespeople creating video in a targeted fashion based on the company message you provide to your organization to use as you go to market, you can target the exact job title and the exact decision makers at the companies you care about to get in front of. And I know there's a badge of honor around email marketing, sending those emails and getting those open rates, or there's a badge of honor around making 80 to 100 phone calls a day. Well, if your buyers don't trust you or even know your faces, you're gonna have a really hard time with that approach. So head over to my website. I'm gonna show you this proven cadence that I've used for my own business as well as for other executives, but it's a mindset that is not salesy, that ironically leads to sales. As a freelancer, I have very limited spots available, so fill out the form on the website as an application, and I really hope we get a chance to speak on the phone and so I can hear more about your business.